Bing.
Hello, hello. All right, we're gonna be doing a repair on this shingle right here. You see that? This one's already unsealed.
Choo.
Those are already unsealed. So let's go in here. Let's unseal these. We're gonna come up here, we're gonna unseal these. So now we got these all unsealed.
Granny was just falling.
Hand me the, yep, that one.
The old handy dandy, yeah.
The good one. Good one. Switcheroo. Alright, so that one's good. I'll come right here. Locate that nail right there. You see it's nice and flush.
Oh yeah.
Pull through. We are showing we are going to show a willingness to pass this. I'm trying to be very gentle. There we go.
Oh,
there we go. Again. Oh goodness. Pull through. We'll get that once we get the shingle out. Right here. Again, it's nice and flush and it just pulls through. Man, all these are pulling through. Come right here. Again, you see how nice and flush that is. And it just kind of pulls through every time. Again, it's flush. It's just, I mean, golly. You ain't gonna ever pour one out. Oh, James, can you show this right here? As y'all can see, it ripped right there where the nail was sealed up at. Again, just pull through. We may need to try. Hand me that yellow one.
They want to go sliding.
Let's see what type of game time adjustments we have to make. There we go. As you can tell, there's just granules. Look around the nail.
Golly, man.
See all that part of the shingle that's come off. Again, we're gonna get out of here. We want to pop that. Again, chunks of the shingle.
Dang, man.
Falling off. This one right here.
Crumble.
There you go. More parts of the shingles, again, just completely falling off. Ouch. Oh, bad knees.
Dang.
As you can see,
Feet are burning too.
the
Old shingle there.
shingle right there. Make sure that was all the nails. Nope. I had a feeling we were missing. And we're being very gentle with this. Gentle as we can be. This can be a tough. Alright, that works. Oh, goodness.
On top of being in the gym.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. Today's day 2, bro.
Day 2?
Yeah.
Oh.
Back day today.
Ooh, that's rough.
You know.
Yeah, doing them lat raises, man.
Lat raises. Lat pull downs.
Oh, man.
You name it. Alright, hand me that hammer and the root snake, please.
Hammer and snake.
Actually. You might not even, here, just like that.
Sounds good.
Under that. I can get these pretty easily. Again, we're not gonna lift up the shingle too high. Just high enough so we can. I hear that. So we can properly.
This is falling down.
Right. This one's three times or four. A fourth one. Again, just high enough. You can hear the granules falling down as we do this. It's kind of frightening. Yeah, it is kind of frightening. You know, it is what it is.
These gulp situations.
We're beating the sun. Nice and flush. Now I want you to see that you can already see granular loss and creasing right there just by rubbing a finger across, which should not be the case.
Nah, not on a roof that would withstand repair.
I think I lost the nail. Oh gosh. Sorry. No, oh no, I put that one in there already. I was like, dude, I think I lost the nail. Oh, I already put it back. Okay. Yeah, those creases are really starting to show, especially on this one. You can see that granular loss.
Show that to y'all.
On this one as well, you can see, even right here in the middle, just rubbing my finger across it like that. I mean, that's, and you come up here to a non-affected area,
Smooth.
nothing. So it is because of the effects of the repair. Now again, I'm just lifting it up just enough to be able to get this nail in here. This is actually lower than where a nail gun would be. Again, rub your finger across there a couple times. You can see the creasing. I don't know if you want to show close-ups of that. Even this one over here, you can see that crease. And then again, we'll come up here to an area not affected by the repair.
Nothing at all.
So you can see the difference. I think I have chalk in my back pocket.
Oh, yeah.
Stay with a
I
chalk.
got some.
Creasing there, creasing there, creasing, 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 and you can see some creasing right there in the middle part. So in doing this repair, we have damaged 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tabs from this.
Just this.
So that just shows that this is not repairable. And now everything above this will be affected because of this repair. It's damage all throughout the whole entire slope, even way down there. But yeah. Thanks for watching. And
Damn it above.
BCR.
Peace out.